smells beautiful. Let me see. Yeah, it tastes brand new. Hell yeah, man. Woo. What's going on, guys? Steve Satin here with Beyond the Build, and in today's episode we installed GM performance heads onto our LS swapped Nissan 350Z. Let's check it out. First off, we have to make sure the surface is nice and clean. We are installing our GM performance heads with ARP studs. Every single bolt is torqued down to spec according to the directions of ARP. Repeat the process on the driver's side. Again, everything is torqued down to spec according to ARP. Right here we're buttoning up the car to be ready to start. Making sure everything is plugged in. Even though spark plugs are gapped out the box, it's always good to check the spacing and make sure the gap is correct. Intake manifold on, everything plugged in, and we are ready for our first startup. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys at the next one. Peace.